Kalikai is a name given to a beautiful waterfall on the Khasi Hills, a few miles to the west of Cherrapunji, which at certain points is visible from great distances, while the roars and echoes of its waters are heard from miles. Once upon a time, there lived a young married woman called Kalikai in the village of Rangjitte on the hill above the falls. She lived with her husband and they had a daughter whose name was Karding. But suddenly, one day, her husband fell severely ill.
No, you can't leave us. We can't live without you. How will we survive if you will go? Just think about your daughter.
What can I do? Everyone has to go one day or the other. No one is immortal. Every person, whether rich or poor, fool or wise, has to go one day. I have to go.
But you should have thought about your daughter. How will we be able to survive in this world of selfish people? How will I get food for us to eat?
I am very sorry that I am leaving you at such a young age, but I can't do anything about it. It's not in my hands. I don't know how you will be able to get food, but I know that you will look after my daughter well, right?
The death of her husband shook her. She was unable to earn money and feed her daughter. Their condition was becoming worse day by day. So she started taking loan from the money lender.
So when are you going to return my money, Kalikar?
Kasnati sir, you know that my husband is no more. I'm finding it very difficult to pay your money. Please give me some more time.
I will give you max to max 10 days and not more than that. I want all my money back in 10 days, otherwise, the consequences won't be good for you.
Yes, sir. I will return all your money back in 10 days.
Found it very hard to earn enough money to maintain both of them, so she was persuaded to marry again, thinking to lighten the burden and obtain more comforts for her child. But the new husband whom she married was a selfish and brutal man.
Darling, come have dinner. The food is ready.
Mom, I will come after 5 minutes, please.
No, darling, that's enough for today. You can play tomorrow also. Come have dinner.
Coming, Mom. You serve the food and I'll be there in 2 minutes.
Will I get the damn food in this place or not?
Yeah, I'm giving.
You just think about your daughter and yourself only. You have married me so that you can look after your child well, right?
No, that is not the case. I am serving the food. Come, darling.
So when the husband found out that Kalikai had married him merely for the benefit of the child, he was so mortified and was determined to do some mischief. He became sulky at home and refused to go out to work. But he forced his wife to go every day, and during her absence he bullied and ill-treated the child.
One day, Kalikai had to go on a long journey to carry iron ore, and this gave the cruel stepfather the opportunity to get rid of her daughter. He had become so evil and frustrated that he was determined to inflict even the worst horror upon his wife. He killed the girl and he took the portions of the body and cooked them against the mother's return, and waited in silence for her coming. When Kalikai reached home, she was surprised to find her husband in a seemingly kind mood.
Welcome, Kalkai, welcome. I know you might have been tired, so I had cooked the supper and have set it ready.
What happened? You are feeling very happy today? What's the matter?
It's nothing, just felt like that you are working very hard to make our ends meet, so it is our responsibility to help you in household work.
I'm glad that you are understanding how difficult it is for me to go for work and do household work as well.
Come, let's have dinner.
Oh, where's Cardin? I have not seen her since I
She's gone out to play just now. You come now, we'll have dinner. She had already eaten, that's why she has gone out to play.
But the man's plausible answer that she had gone out to play dispelled every misgiving, and she sat down to eat without a suspicion of evil. After finishing the supper, she drew forward the nut basket to prepare nut and pan to chew, according to the custom after meal. It happened that one of the hands of the murdered girl had been left by the stepfather in the basket, and her mother recognized it at once.
What is this?
What?
Whose hand is this? Tell me, what did you do to my daughter?
I did nothing. I just told you she's gone out to play.
I want the truth. Just tell me, where is she?
Oh, okay, I'll tell you the truth. The truth is that when you had gone out, I killed your daughter and made food with the flesh of your child.
No, this can't be real. This can't be real.
A terrible and overwhelming revelation took away the Kalikai's happiness. She rose and ran the precipice and threw herself into the allies. Ever since, the falls have been called the Leap of Kalikai, and the doleful moon of echoes are said to be echoes of Kalikai's anguished cries.
I would like to thank Rosemary ma'am for giving us such a wonderful project, which taught us the importance of teamwork and coordination among the group members, and it also taught us that every person has something unique hidden inside him. Thank you.